the breakfast. I'll show you how the buffet is here. So I was so much hungry in the morning that I took 2 plates. So it's basically around about 11:30 in the morning. Checkout का time हो गया है and we are checking out of the room. This is the room. So it's still some time for a bus. So we are strolling near the airport. Look at this beautiful colony. So guys, we are on T2 और यहाँ पे सारा ब्रैड की पूरी टीम has gathered now. I'll let you have a look to the whole team. So we have finally reached the Liner Hotel and this is Liner Hotel. It's been around 8 o'clock in the night or we have just reached. So let's get in at the check-in for the hotel and then we'll proceed. So guys, we have reached the room, the hotel. And this is how it looks like. Small but cozy room. So अभी रूम में डिनर डिलीवर हो गया है. एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी पैक करके इन्होंने दे दिया था बिकॉज लिवरपूल में अपेरेंटली सब कुछ जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है, बंद हो जाता है बेसिकली. सो लेट्स सी, वी हैव बिरयानी, ये कड़ी है एंड दिस इज आलू और कोफ्ता आई गेस. And this is dahi balla ya फिर टिक्की if I'm not wrong. And we have got a dairy milk, we have got a orange juice. So dinner तो बहुत बढ़िया है, स्मेल बहुत सही आ रही है. खाते हैं इसे, देखते हैं क्या टेस्ट है. So friends, I'm walking towards Paritosh. That is my friend who lives here in Liverpool. I'm walking towards his home. Literally everything is closed. I'll let you have a look at the city at night. So this is one more LJMU University building. So this is my university, but I'm not sure which building is mine. Tomorrow I'll get to know about the exact building where I have to go. Currently I'm just walking and it's very, very cold. It's nearly around about 7 to 8 degrees. And it's very windy additionally. So actually this is my first time traveling in the night in foreign country. So I'm a little bit hesitant to take out my camera, but still I'm doing the same. It's very cold. While walking, I saw this. I'm seeing this actually a very beautiful church, St. Andrew's Church. It's look quite great. It's a marble church, marble building. I think I should be safe because locals are walking around. So, yeah. It's refresh and reset. So there was a guy in the car. He was asking what channel is mine. So I told him my handle for the YouTube. So I have to go straight on this road, and from the T point I have to take a right. It's showing on Google Maps. Oh my god, look at this beauty. This must be a SLK 2-seater. Yeah, it's a SLK 200. A great time of its time. Great car of its time, sorry. So basically what I've noticed is this Liverpool is exactly not like London. London is on a flat surface, but Liverpool seems to be a bit of a hilly area. Not exactly a hilly area, but yeah, there are decent, like it's sometimes going upwards, the roads are going downwards after that. So for now it's easy for me to walk because it's going downwards, so there is a slope downwards. And yeah, it's looking perfect. I'm loving this city more than London. Totally in love with the city. And even the buildings, the architecture seems to be a bit more older than what it is in London. London is much more fancier, I would say. Oh, I could see one Chinatown, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that seems to be a Chinatown. And that's a great gate. Means it's looking very good. I saw Chinatown and Piccadilly Circus also in London, but this is even better. The entrance is such a humongous gate. There are bars which are open. So I'll be pressing this button and waiting for this to turn green. so that I can walk and cross the road. You have to be safe, guys. Here, you have to follow these rules. So, guys, I have reached Paritosh Sahni's place. It's showing me on the maps that I've reached, but I am not exactly sure if I have reached. So I'm calling him. देखते हैं if I'm at the right spot. So the guard in the building was a little bit skeptical and he was reluctant to show his face, and anyhow I haven't recorded him. So he just confirmed with Paritosh. Now I'm in the left and reaching the 5th floor.
Floor 5.
Floor. And here is my buddy. Janavan मिल गए. So meeting this fucker after 2 years. So fun. It's 10:30 in the night and I'm with Paritosh now. He's taking me to a night ride on walk to the docks. Oh my god, docks? Are you serious? This is Albert Docks. We are very near to dock. Is this a canal, Bari? Bro, you were here for last 2 years, and you don't know what the fuck is this?
I don't know shit.
This is a canal, I guess. There is a beautiful clock tower. I don't know if you are able to see in the video. Clock tower किस चीज़ का है भाई वो?
It should be something. How do I know what it is? Because I've been living here for a long time.
छोटा लंदन है. Or you can see Liverpool. Hi. So we are entering now to the Albert Dock. He's our Albert. He's taking to his dock now.
Not fascinating me, bro.
There is a ship. Beautiful small ship, daffodil. I think there should be a cafe, right? Yeah, because there are chairs all around. And lighting also in such a way. Small ship. This looks like a casino bar. What the fuck do you know, Paritosh, if you don't know anything? What the fuck were you doing for last 2 years, bro? Studying. मेहनत कश बैल you are, right? As you have seen and heard about the bridge where all the locks, love locks are there. I think if I'm not wrong, it's in Venice or Paris or something. but I'm able to see it's over here also. So as we know, Beatles were originally from Liverpool. So behind this government buildings, on the dock, there is this beautiful Beatles statue. And behind this, Massey Ferries. This is basically even there is a club over here which is Beatles related only, Fab Four Club. Liverpool Central Station. Guinea Stripes. So guys, this is how my day 1 in Liverpool went, and yeah, if you like this video, do follow and subscribe my channel, and also share the video if you like it.